Dear teacher, dear classmates, we are Shirin Shikhawi, Zainab bin Jdira, and Hadami Shua. Today, we will be presenting our production and operations management project, which is about supply chain management taking the Boeing Corporation as an example. Our project goes as follows. First, introduction. Second, strategic importance. Third, sourcing strategy. Fourth, effective supplier selection. And finally, measuring supply chain performance.
The supply chain is the backbone of business operations. Effective supply chain management is one of the most important aspects of running a successful business with maximized profitability. This is what makes the American multinational corporation Boeing a leading aerospace and defense company in the world.
It employs around 158,000 people in more than 70 countries, with supply networks included a total of around 6,500 suppliers in 2003. The company's revenues for the year 2004 were $42.46 billion, and the operating margin was 3.83%. Supply chain management is an important part of every organization activities to maximize customer value and achieve sustainable competitive advantage. It also deals with the movement and storing of materials needed to create a product as well as inventory management and keeping track of finished goods from when created to who they go to. Boeing experts define the successful mechanism for an effective supply chain management in 5 steps: design, planning, execution, control, and monitoring of supply chain activities. The objective from that is creating net value, building a competitive infrastructure, synchronizing supply with demand, and measuring performance globally. Generally, managers have 6 strategies to consider while deciding how to outsource. We note many suppliers strategy, few suppliers strategy, vertical integration, joint ventures, Keiretsu networks, and virtual companies strategy. Actually, Boeing applies the many suppliers strategy. It has been especially active in outsourcing aerostructures from Asia. Boeing exercises this policy to obtain an advantage from better technology there. All in all, Boeing has around 28,000 suppliers in 30 countries, including the US, Canada, Japan, Korea, and China. Since the aim of every organization is to increase revenue and reduce costs, developing effective supplier selection is one of the key strategies to achieve this goal. Using correct criteria and selection model, a manufacturer can easily identify suppliers that have flexible supply chain and good logistic management.
The following schema highlights the evolution of Boeing to a highly innovative company from purchased parts and fabricated aircraft from start to finish, to commence the global strategic partnership and global outsourcing. To go deeper with the effective supplier selection, we will study Boeing Dreamliner 787 and we will go through benefits of supplier selection, implementation issues, and associated risks. The major benefit of Boeing supplier selection process during the manufacture of Dreamliner 787 is better innovation. Suppliers can partner with manufacturers to develop more innovative and competitive products. This was the case with Boeing. The company partnered with 50 different suppliers globally during the manufacture of Dreamliner 787 and outsourced 70% of the manufacturing operations to suppliers around the globe.
In 2007, Boeing reported that the forecasted bolts and screw needed for the manufacture of the Dreamliner 787 was not sufficient. This leads to a delay in production time. In 2008, the workers went on a 58-day strike. Most recently, the Boeing has been experiencing battery overheating, which has caused series of fire incidents.
Boeing selected suppliers based on trust and confidence. It appears that it specifically selected suppliers with good market reputation in various services required. Boeing's partnerships include sharing of risks such as communication risk, financial risk, and coordination risk.
Thank you for your attention. Goodbye, Paul Project.
Created using Powtoon.